In this video, I'm going to take a closer look at Fidelity versus Webull. I'm going to cover four main categories: the fees, their features, their customer service options, and their mobile desktop experience. Make sure to drop a like on this video and leave a comment with your favorite brokerage or one that you would like to see me make a video on. First up, let's look at the fee structures for these brokerages. Both Fidelity and Webull offer zero commission trading on stocks and ETFs. Fidelity also offers zero commission on their mutual funds as well as many other companies' mutual funds, and Webull doesn't currently allow for mutual funds trading on their platform, but who knows, they might offer it in the future. When it comes to options trading, Fidelity will charge a contract fee of 65 cents per options contract, whereas Webull doesn't charge you for trading options contracts at all. You will, however, be responsible to pay all the regulatory fees associated with trading options, but that's with every brokerage. If you decide you want to transfer out of Fidelity to a different broker for some reason, they won't charge you anything. Webull, on the other hand, will charge you $75 for either a partial or a full transfer to another broker. When a broker has a transfer fee, it's always a good idea to contact the broker you want to transfer to and ask if they will cover the transfer fee. A lot of times they will pay the fee for you just to help secure your future business. If you want to support the channel and need a brokerage, feel free to use my referral link to sign up for Webull in the description. If you do, we'll both get some free stocks. If you don't, neither of us will get anything for free, and my wife might leave me. That's on you now. Let's move on to the features. Fidelity has many more features than Webull, but not everyone will find these useful, so just because they have them doesn't mean they're automatically better. For example, Fidelity offers what they call a robo-advisor. This will cost you based on the size of your account and is a set it and forget it investing strategy. It will ask you some questions and then present you with what it thinks is best based on your answers. It will keep you updated on how your account is doing and make changes based on what is happening in the market. If this is something you're interested in, then Fidelity is going to be the better pick for you out of these two, since Webull doesn't offer anything like that at this time. Webull did just recently add the ability to buy and sell fractional shares, which I think is huge for newer investors. They now allow you to buy even large companies with as little as $5. Fidelity also allows for fractional shares trading of stocks and ETFs, and their current minimum is $1, so I guess they're slightly better, but in the grand scheme of things, not really. Just skip your Starbucks for a day and you can get a fractional share with Webull. One other thing that Fidelity offers that Webull doesn't is OTC trading, or over-the-counter stocks not listed on major exchanges. If you're big into OTCs, then Webull won't be a great pick for you. Neither Webull or Fidelity offers future or forex trading, so if you want to get into that, check out my other video where I talk about TD Ameritrade. They could be a better pick. In the investing world nowadays, crypto has become mainstream, and Webull is up to the times in allowing crypto to be traded on their platform. It's not all crypto because not every exchange is the same, but they at least offer some. Fidelity is still living in the past and hasn't yet offered crypto to its customers yet. Eventually, I think most brokers will offer it, but who knows how long it's going to take for some of these companies to catch up. If you're interested in dividend-producing stocks, Fidelity is going to make your life a whole lot easier, since they allow you to set your dividends to be automatically reinvested using a DRIP program. Webull currently doesn't support dividend reinvestment, but they say that this is something they may offer in the future, so be sure to check on that if it's something that you have to have before signing up. Lastly, both platforms provide their users with market updates and financial news, so you can stay up to date with what's going on. Okay, so what kind of customer service do these two companies offer their users? For starters, Webull has a 24/7 customer service line to answer all your questions. You can also send an email to them if you aren't in a huge hurry. And they have a help page on their website where you can search for specific problems or browse through topics such as tax season or stock transfer questions. Fidelity also offers 24/7 live customer service and has a built-in virtual assistant on their website and app where you can type questions and it will take you to relevant web pages. You can also email them or even look at their Reddit subpage if you're one of those people. One thing Fidelity has that Webull doesn't is physical locations. Fidelity has over 140 locations where you can get in-person help or see advisors if that's the kind of thing you're looking for. Honestly, I hope you don't have to use customer service for anything ever, since that usually means something bad happened. But it's nice knowing that with both choices, you have a minimum of 24/7 live help so you can solve the issue quickly with a real person. The last thing to go over is the mobile apps and desktop experience. Webull's mobile app is easy to use and even has full-blown charting capabilities for people who want to do technical analysis on their phone from wherever they are. The app has 5 tabs at the bottom for its different sections, and it's easy to navigate to get to where you want to go. Fidelity's mobile app is also easy to navigate with 5 main tabs. There is currently a beta mode inside the Fidelity app that cleans up the interface a little and puts it more on par with the newer user experiences from companies like Webull and Robinhood. I'm pretty used to the old interface at this point, but the beta version is definitely refreshing. One thing lacking from Fidelity on their mobile app is the ability to do technical analysis. They currently don't offer the same suite of tools that Webull does for people looking to do analysis while on the go. As for desktop, both Fidelity and Webull offer industry standard platforms for traders to do all sorts of analysis, as well as place alerts and, of course, trades. With Fidelity, it's called Active Trader Pro, and for Webull, it's called Webull Desktop. Keep in mind that both platforms will have a learning curve. That learning curve just comes from the territory of technical analysis, but once you learn how to use one platform, it isn't too hard to learn another one. The main part of learning how to use these is mostly about what the tools are, what they're called, and where they are inside of the application. If you want to learn more about technical analysis, we have a couple videos covering some of the basics. Thanks for stopping by. Leave a like, you filthy animals.